In this video, we are discussing possible problems in Hadoop hardware. Hadoop is a software. It will be running on one infrastructure hardware. So problems may appear in different infrastructure hardware related. So that's why what are the problems we are going to face whenever there will be some failure, there will be some breakdown, we will be discussing them into details. So different possible problems for failure. For the breakdown or failure, we can find some possible and common problems and they have got listed here. So application or user related problems. Sometimes data may be deleted by users or any other software from the cluster. So if the hardware is causing any breakdown, then that can cause some data loss, that can cause some loss of the software being used by the user. So the system may crash while writing some data into the file system. So let us suppose one application is reading or writing some data onto the file system and the system has crashed. In that case, what will happen during the writing operation? So if after writing the data has been crashed, so there is no need to write the data. Otherwise, my database, my data set will remain unupdated and inconsistent in that case. So it can store some duplicate parts of data are stored in the system. So this system failure may also cause the problem while performing read and write operations on our data stored on our system. So different possible problems for failure. So we are starting with these hardware problems. So some system may damage though some natural disasters like our storms, earthquake, etc. So whenever such natural disasters will be occurring, then obviously the systems will get damaged and obviously our data might be getting lost. The network or power failure may also create some big problems in the system. So that's why we should do a good backup power arrangement for the systems so that it will have a continuous running and power supply. So some disks may crash and the data will be lost. So disk can crash at any time because it is one electronic components. So it can get crashed at any time, and in that case the data will be lost if we are not keeping all the data in some replicated way in some other disks. So the server may also crash and it may also cause some hardware failure. So these are the different problems we might be facing in our Hadoop hardware. So we have discussed a lot on this different kinds of infrastructure and hardware related failures that may occur in the Hadoop system, and that will cause loss of data, loss of software and so on. Thanks for watching this video.